Today we're taking a look at a Capri 1/2-inch split beam torque wrench, and that's coming up next here on Just AB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. First off, I'd like to thank Capri Tools for sending this out to the channel for us to try out. As always, just because somebody sends something out to the channel doesn't mean it gets a free pass. If I find something I don't like about this, or if it ends up breaking in the future, you guys will know, because I'll be doing a video about it. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to see what all this comes with, tell you some of the features about it. I'm going to use it on a couple of things to show you guys it in use and give you my final thoughts at the end. So let's get started. Now this torque wrench comes in a very nice case, as you can see here, and it says Capri right there. We'll flip it over and see what's all inside of it. And you can see we got the beam wrench here. That looks very nice. And then we got a couple of things tucked up in here. We've got a sticker, the certification for it to let you know that it's been set properly for torque. And then we probably got the instructions behind it. Let's get them all out here just to make sure what all we have. Bag is very easy to open. All right, there's your certificate right there. If you do get a torque wrench and they don't come with a certificate, take it back and get another one or get a different brand. Of course, you always get one of their nice little stickers right here. And then we have the instruction manual for it. And I always like opening these up to see how legible they are. Very nice diagrams on there. Writing for someone like me, I would have to put my reading glasses on. But everything looks very nice and legible on that. Let's go over some of the features about it. This has a large, easy to read torque scale. The accuracy on it is plus or minus 4% CW. The 15-degree flex head provides extra clearance. It has an ultra smooth 70-tooth ratcheting mechanism. Audible click when desired torque setting is reached. It is certified in accordance with ASME B107300 and iOS 6789-2017. It has an individualized traceable serial number, and a custom fitted case is included. Now you can get this in two different drives. You can get a 3/8 or the 1/2 inch we got here. The 3/8 drive, the torque range is 20 to 100 foot-pounds in 2-foot increments. And then on this one, the 1/2 inch, it's 50 foot-pounds to 250 foot-pounds in 5-pound increments. It offers precision with just 4 degrees of swing arc. Has a non-slip ergonomic handle. Total weight on this is 3.8 pounds, and the dimensions are 23 by 2 by 1.43 inches. All right, now I want to show you how easy it is to adjust this. Basically, you just flip this down, that unlocks it, and then you turn it whichever direction you want to go. And the increments are in 5 foot-pounds like it was stated earlier. And then you also have a conversion chart here to Newton meters in case you want the Newton meters on this. Now that's everything about it. Let's go ahead and try this out. Now we're going to use the Capri torque wrench for the first time here. I got it set to 162 foot-pounds to do the axle nut on this. So let's see how it goes. And this only turns one way, as I mentioned before. Got to be getting close. Right there you go, 162 foot-pounds. And one thing with torque wrenches, don't keep cranking on it, clicking it, and clicking it. Every time you click it, you're adding more foot-pounds. Leave it right there on the first click, and that'll be set up perfect for you. All right, now we got our Capri torque wrench once again. And now I got to torque the lug nuts on here. I got it set to 90 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and try this out for the first time doing the lug nuts. I'll tell you what, this thing is very smooth on it. Remember when you're doing lug nuts to do a cross pattern. Very nice and smooth. This one wasn't down as much. All right. You can hear it hopefully click. Don't know if the microphone's picking that up. All right, And the great thing about this is now if I want to leave it there, I can. Unlike the ones that have the twist handle that got a spring that can wear out, you can't leave those set to torque. These split beam ones you can. So what I'm going to do now is take this for a test drive, come back and double check it. I always do that for safety. So what's my final thoughts of the Capri torque wrench here? Well, let's start with the negatives. The negatives is I don't have any negatives right now. Usually I can find something I don't like, and with this so far, I haven't found anything that I don't like. Now, if I do have an issue with this, I will come back with you guys with a video as always, because I'm always honest when something happens. Now, what do I like about it? The grip feels real good in your hand. And then I like the mechanism to unlock it, very nice and easy. Spin that dial to where you want it. Throw that lever back up, it's locked in. Absolutely love that about it. And because it's a split beam, I can leave it there. I can put it back in the case, put it up on the shelf, don't have to worry about it. My old torque wrench had a spring in it, and a couple of times I forgot to put it back to 0, so I don't trust it no more. With a split beam, you don't have to worry about that. Finish on this is very nice. Really like that about it. I like that there's an angle to this head in case you get something that you can't get directly on. That head angles up and gives you some room on it. Really like that. And since we're talking about the head here, the 72 tooth gear in there is smooth like that. Sockets lock on. When they lock on, they're not coming off. You got to pull kind of hard to get it off. So far, I give this thing a thumbs up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a affiliate link down below to Amazon for you guys to check this out if I can find one. If not, I'll also put one down there to Capri's website. And on Capri's website, I got a discount code I can give you guys on there. So if you want to support me, use the Amazon one. If you want to support yourself, go ahead and use the Capri one. Whichever one works out cheaper for you, I'm okay with either one of them. So as always, don't forget to check the link tree out down below. Down there, I have links that are affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.